everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha and in this video I'll be showing you a Methi Chapati recipe. This is instant, simple and very healthy, as this is loaded with health supplements which is very beneficial for your hair, skin, digestion and also aids in weight loss. So let's watch how to make this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this Methi Chapati. For Methi Chapati, first I'm going to add a wheat flour, add salt, add green chilies finely chopped, a spoon of roasted sesame seeds, add methi leaves. These are washed and chopped. I have taken 3 to 4 bunch of methi leaves. Add mint and coriander, very little, and a pinch of garam masala. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar and turmeric, just a pinch. Now mix this. I'm going to add 2 spoons of melted butter. Now knead this into a soft dough. So this dough is ready, and now we will make balls and roll it. Now let's pan fry them. So here the methi chapati is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes, and thank you.